Hey guys, welcome to WebTech tutorial, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to use WhatsApp. Alright, first off go to your Play Store and on the search bar type in WhatsApp and hit enter. And the way you're going to find out it's the right one is by checking out the downloads. It's 1 billion downloads. So this is the official WhatsApp app, so just click on install and it'll start downloading. So now it'll start installing, and once you see this uninstall button, that you can be sure that it's been installed. Now when you first enter WhatsApp, you're gonna see this screen welcoming you to WhatsApp, from where you can just click on agree and continue. So WhatsApp actually requires an active phone number to associate with the account, so do make sure you have one. And if you do, just choose your country and then type in your phone number, and then just click on next. And now it will ask for verification. It will try to verify your phone, so make sure this phone number is correct and you have the phone with you, right? So everything looks fine, so just proceed by clicking on OK. Now your phone should ring up in a while. You'll get a message with a code. Just go ahead and open your phone and type in the code in this area. And if you're verified, you should see this message or something similar. Just go ahead and proceed and click on allow if you want to, and then it'll prompt you to enter your information. Just go ahead and do it. Click on next. And there you have it. You have created your account. Now you can start using it. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to visit webtechtutorial.com for more such tech related tutorial videos. So until next time, goodbye.